Cover unit as concept 7. Now I'm going to be going over number 4, which is cosine x over 2 minus sine of x equals 0. And we could substitute a half angle formula for this, for cosine of x over 2, which is radical 1 plus cosine u over 2 minus sine of x equals 0. And to make it easier for us, we'll move it to the other side so we can get rid of the radical easier. So now we could square this, and since we do it to that side, we'll do it to the other side, and it will become 1 plus cosine of u over 2 equals sine squared of x. And using our Pythagorean identities, we know that sine squared of x equals 1 minus cosine squared of x. And we could get rid of the denominator by multiplying it by 2. So it'll be 1 plus cosine u equals 2 minus 2 cosine squared of x. Now we can move this to the side, so we subtract 2 and add 2 cosine squared of x. So it'll be 1 plus cosine, we'll change this to x, minus 2 plus 2 cosine squared of x. We'll combine like terms, and it'll be 2 cosine squared of x plus cosine of x minus 1. And if we factor that out, it'll be 2 sine of x minus 1 sine of x plus 1. Now we can use the zero products property, and we'll get 2 sine of x minus 1 equals 0, and sine of x plus 1 equals 0. And then we'll add 1, so this will be 2 sine of x equals 1 over 2 sine of x equals 1/2. And using our unit circle, we know that sine of x equals 1 over 2 at 60 and at 180. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. We'll subtract 1, so it'll be sine of x equals negative 1, and that's only at one angle, which is the quadrant angle 270. And since you squared both sides earlier, we have to check for extraneous solutions. So we could do this by plugging it into a calculator. So cosine of 30, since it's 60 over 2, minus sine of 60, and if it's 0, that's one of our answers, so we know that 60 works. We'll do the same with the other. So cosine of 90 minus sine of 180, and it's 0, so that works. And we'll do the same thing. Cosine of 135 minus sine of 270, and since that doesn't equal 0, that can't be one of the answers. So our only answers are 60 and 180.